Hey everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. I have a small Dollar Tree haul to share with you. As usual, here's the overview of the things that I picked up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. So to start off the haul, I picked up some more of the Voortman's Bakery chocolate chip cookies. I usually pick these up, so it's nothing new. However, this time around, I did notice that their cookies now are $1.50, so they are going up at my Dollar Tree. Let me know in the comments section below if you've noticed items at your Dollar Tree on the rise. So I did manage to check an item off my wish list, and that was these real wood toy puzzles. Now, only yesterday I was able to find these at my Dollar Tree. I had seen some people haul these before and I never was able to come across them. So if you have little ones or you love to DIY, then these are great because, as it says, they are real wood. So they're awesome for making signs. If you have some stain and you stain these and then either stencil something on here or transfer something, again, they make really nice signs. Now there were only 6, so I picked up 4, 2 of the cats and dogs and 2 of the farm animals. There was also a sea puzzle and a construction, or like the trucks, construction trucks puzzle, but I left those 2 there because sometimes I feel really bad about taking whatever's left, so I did leave a couple. Then over in the crafting section, I noticed that they're coming out with a lot of stickers. Stickers for your drinking glasses, stickers for the mason jars, and then I came across these iron-on transfers, which I love. These are great if you pick up the Dollar Tree t-shirts or their hats, because you can really make some unique shirts and hats with these iron-on transfers. So here I picked up this one, and I picked it up because I want to make something for the travel trailer, and how fitting is Adventure Awaits. I just thought it was really pretty with the flowers, so I will be doing something down the road with this, but I was happy to find this one and I can't wait to share. Over in the picture and decor area, I came across a couple new pieces, but I did pick up a few more of these ones here. I like to use these for DIYs because they're nice and solid, but this particular one I love to just decorate with or give. Blessed and highly favored. I just love it. I love the saying, and I love that it has the black and white. So I picked up a few more of those. I really thought this one was cute, especially for smaller spaces. It says, "It's not how big the house is, it's how happy the home is." So I just thought that was really pretty, so I picked up one of these. There were a few more, and I did include them at the beginning of the video to show the different things that I saw on my trip to the Dollar Tree yesterday. And then I saw a few more of these particular decor piece. This one I absolutely love. So whether you're going to DIY this and just use the metal galvanized plate, or you're going to keep it together and display it as it is, I think it's super cute. So it has the 3 different coffees: Americano, Espresso, and Latte. And then it says dark roast, always fresh, and house blend. And then, of course, but first, coffee. And to end the haul, I have some seasonal items, and I have to be honest, I really haven't been wowed this year. There were a few things that came out, like the red trucks, especially the wooden red truck or old truck. That I really loved. But other than that, I haven't been too wowed. I think there's been other items in the past at my Dollar Tree that were really nice, like when they came out with the egg garland. That was a really nice one. Or the Dollar Tree signs that had the galvanized metal on them with the carrots. I don't know, I just think that this year I haven't been so impressed. But there are a few items that I did pick up. And the first here are these baskets, which they're again one of my favorite, more plain baskets, but really pretty. Whether you keep them in these colors or you spray paint them something else, they make really nice planters. I just love the design on them. So I picked up a couple pink, a couple of this really pretty greeny blue, and the yellow. I then picked up this package of wooden, well, they're plastic, but they look like the wooden baskets. So they have the yellow, the purple, the pink, and the green. So those were a nice find. I picked up a couple of these sequenced eggs. There were only 2 picks, so I grabbed pink, so I grabbed them. And I like the sequence better than the glitter because the glitter makes a mess, but with the sequence you still get that sparkle, but again minus the mess. So I grabbed those. I picked up these foam shapes. You get 12. There is blue, pink, and yellow, and these do have the glitter on them, but they're really pretty. I picked up a couple of the Decor metal words, and these ones here say Happy Easter and Blessings. And then lastly here I picked up the bunny ears in the yellow, pink, and that greeny blue. And that's it, guys. That is my Dollar Tree haul. So again, let me know in the comments section below, are items at your Dollar Tree on the rise? Here again in Canada, they are $1.25, but every time I go, I notice that I'm seeing more items at $1.50. And secondly, how are you finding your seasonal decor this year at Dollar Tree? I would love to know. So guys, please like the video, please share the video, and if you haven't subscribed, I would absolutely love it if you did. As always, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye for now.